tell you, as you can see, good afternoon or good morning, South Florida. We're almost to the afternoon hours. We are continuing to watch a strong Category 3 hurricane as Matthew is spinning closer and closer to the Bahamas. We are expecting it to head towards the northwest, and you can see this system just spinning, very large system just south of the Bahamas, north of Cuba, bringing some heavy rain. The outer band's already affecting far north as Exuma and in towards Nassau, Bahamas, and the system will continue to do that as it moves towards the northwest at 12 miles per hour. So it has picked up a little speed. It was moving to the northwest at 10 miles per hour, and it also strengthened. Look at that, 120 mile per hour winds, gust at 145 miles per hour, the pressure 962 millibars. So as we continue the forward path of this system, it is still expected to become a Category 4 hurricane by tonight into tomorrow with winds of 130 miles per hour. It still keeps parts of South Florida in the forecast path in the days to come. As you can see, for tomorrow into Friday, it's also going to affect parts of central Florida into northern Florida and the southeast. The system will be a very strong Category 4 hurricane, just hugging our shoreline with winds of 130 miles per hour. So this is why we want you to be prepared. Today is the day to make sure you are prepared if you haven't had time. A very strong storm just off our coastline. And because the center is so close to us, remember we talked about the hurricane force winds extending out of the center at about 60 miles, and then tropical storm force winds extending out 160 miles. And that could have changed as the 11 a.m. advisory, but regardless, look how close that system is expected to be to our coastline. Regardless, we're all going to be dealing with possibly hurricane force winds and tropical storm force winds, and that's why we do have those watches and warnings in effect for Miami and Broward. Nothing has changed. It looks as though they have extended the tropical storm warning to mainland Monroe as well as the 7 Mile Bridge in towards the middle and the upper Keys all the way to Miami, and it looks as though they keep that hurricane warning in effect for Broward and just north of the areas as of the 11 a.m. advisory. And of course, our friends in the Bahamas are under a hurricane warning as they are expecting to see the worst of this weather since the center will be moving over that area later today into tonight and tomorrow. We can tell you we are expecting hazardous marine conditions as early as tonight, to high risk of occurrence for you beachgoers. Just not a good day to be out on the waters at all. You should actually be tying your boat down today, preparing for possibly hurricane warning, hurricane force winds. So what does this mean? Well, hurricane warning for Broward, tropical storm warning for Miami-Dade and the middle and upper Keys. This is all issued last night and confirming it this morning out of our advisories. The strength of the winds depends on how close the center is to the coast, and you saw just how close it's expected according to that cone. But remember, systems never travel in a straight line. It could move more towards the west closer to us in the next 24 hours, or it could jog more towards the east. Tropical storm winds anywhere between 39 to 73 miles per hour and hurricane winds 74 miles per hour and stronger. Potential impacts. This is how we'll put it into perspective for you. As early as tomorrow morning and through Friday, we could see the possibility of damaging rooftops. If you have some tile that could be, not tied down all the way, we could have to deal with that. Power outages. FP&L will be very busy with this system. Tree damage as well as street flooding could be a possibility. So we want you to be safe. The timeline of this is later on today into tonight. We will start to see that squally weather. Winds will start to pick up as the system does approach the northern portions of the Bahamas and become just east of us here in South Florida by tomorrow. And we will notice that this shower and thunderstorm activity and this active weather pattern will start to subside by Friday. We'll have a lot more on this, Trent. Eric.
Yeah, Julie, I want to talk about the visible satellite imagery. We've been talking to you about this morning and what appeared to be the system already recovering from moving through and interacting with land of Haiti and the eastern part of Cuba. And we are getting confirmation of that here in the 11 o'clock advisory. Both the NOAA and Air Force Hurricane Hunter plans have been in the eye of Matthew during the past couple of hours. And data from the planes indicate that the storm is gradually recovering. And based on some of their wind estimates here, that's why they've got it where it is at. And to show you that advisory information one more time, it's winds of 120. So they bumped it up 5. And the environment between the Bahamas and Florida over the next couple of days remains favorable for this to increase and for it to intensify as we go through the next couple of days. Now, going back to that visible, or let's actually go to the infrared satellite imagery, and I'll show you what I'm talking about as far as what's happening here with the environmental conditions. And as the areas here between the Bahamas and South Florida, the water is very warm. We're talking about mid 80s, and the shear won't increase until it gets a little farther further to the north, which will add to some gradual weakening. So we've got to watch carefully this turn to the north around the area high pressure, which is sitting over the Atlantic, on exactly how close it will make it to our shoreline. Right now, as you know, we are under tropical storm warnings and hurricane warnings for Broward County, tropical storm for Miami-Dade and the Florida Keys. We're going to have much more. We'll continue